Hello friends. Welcome to the CRACK CLAT tutorials, to the point current affairs. The West Bengal Cabinet, chaired by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, has approved the formation of the Legislative Council. At present, only Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra, Bihar, and Uttar Pradesh have Legislative Council. Previously, West Bengal had a bicameral legislature, but it was abolished by the United Front government in 1969. About the State Legislative Council. The State Legislative Council is the upper house of the state legislature. It is established under Article 169 of the Indian Constitution. The size of the State Legislative Council cannot be more than one-third of the members of the State Legislative Assembly. Parliament of India can create or abolish the State Legislative Council of a state if that state's legislature passes a resolution for that with a special majority. Thank you.